Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to off raise to wake in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to off raise to wake in our Realme phone guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start the video guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting. So after on setting guys, you can see guys your home screen and lock screen setting. So guys tap here and guys scroll, then guys you can see your raise to wake. So your raise to wake will off from here, so you cannot use your raise to wake setting in your Realme phone device. So I hope friends you have understood how to off raise to wake in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.